Let's understand some basic ways, basic formula that can be used in Excel. Okay, let's say we have this column with some values for A. Let's say it is 10. Okay, now instead of typing 20, 30, I could just type 20 and then select these two and drag it down so it becomes the same, in the same frequency it will go. Or better yet, I would do equals this plus 10. Okay, and over here I'll say equals this plus 50. Okay, and then I can copy paste these down. Oops, sorry. I do equals this plus 10 and then I copy paste this here, right? And then I drag it down. Okay, all right. Now suppose I want to do this plus this, then this plus this, then this plus this, right? So I'll do equals this plus this and then copy it down. Now suppose I want to do equals this multiply by this. Okay, so multiply is the star sign. Then I do equals this. For divide it's the slash and this, right? So over here you can see we used the cell number because it was changing. Over here we used a actual number. We wanted to add 10 to each one of them and we wanted to add 50 over here to each of them, right? So we could have done this also, right? So this plus 50, this plus 50, this plus 50, right? So that can be done. And now suppose I want to reduce the number of decimals over here. I can use the decrease decimal button over here. Increase decimal, decrease decimal. All right. Now suppose I want to do to the power of. So I say 10 to the power of 60, suppose I want to do, okay, for some reason. So it's the hat sign that is above the number 6 on most keyboards, okay. And then I say 60. But this number which shows 10 raised to the power of 60 is too big for this cell to show up. Even if I increase the width, it won't happen, okay. So we'll just reduce the number, okay. So we'll just make it 1 and then we'll make it equals this plus 1 and we'll make this equals this plus 5, okay. And then we copy this down and we copy this down, okay. So now we have a 1 raised to 6 is 1, okay. Now suppose we want to do square root. So the Excel has this thing where you can say SQRT, okay, and open bracket of this, right, square root of, let's say, the B you want to do it. So that's that. Now again I can copy this whole thing down and it will give me the all the numbers here. So square root of 9 is 3, okay. Now there are many such formulas, endless choices you have. It's just a matter of looking. Now if like me this is bothering you, you can just increase the width by bringing the cursor between the columns and then just double clicking on it will give it to the maximum length of that row, okay. You could also do this. When you press comma, it goes into, suppose it was 1000, it would have made it, it would have added that comma over there. All right, these are some features that you should know about. That's it for now. One other thing, of course, you can do is, instead of this 1 that I added here, right, or this 5 that I added here, you could write 1 here and 5 here, and then you could do equals this plus this and then F4 equals this plus this and then F4. So it takes the same number, so it goes down. And you could do equals this plus 1 and you copy it down. Oops. I didn't put the F4. So here you go, F4, and then you copy it down. Equals this plus this F4. And this is a good way to learn that when you make mistakes, it's okay. Now see, if the moment I make this 10, it changes, right? This changed. The moment I make this 50, this changed. So this is a handy thing to know. All right.